Let's quickly cover game week 1 and game week 2.
सिटी भी नहीं थी, इवन यूनाइटेड भी नहीं थी,
यूनाइटेड भी नहीं थी।
अपन चेल्सी, लिवरपूल, आर्सेनल।
गैब्रियल और विलियन तो थे ना।
गैब्रियल और विलियन थे।
ड्रीम डेब्यू में गोल, वो भी डिफेंडर का, और सीधा असिस्ट 3, वो भी। मतलब चेल्सी फैन मतलब रिटायरमेंट होम से बोले अरे विलियन को दे दिया है यार।
अरे कभी-कभी
दे दिया भाई ने।
अच्छा लग जाता कभी-कभी।
Must be regretting that we have given Willian to Arsenal, but सामने वो लोग accept नहीं करेंगे।
What I think is maybe Kai Havertz will struggle more than Hakim Ziyech.
He's a fraud. He is not 80 million worth. Trust me. Even Werner was struggling against Liverpool for the finishing.
Yeah.
If you remember, his first words were, "I have never played against such humongous defenders." Imagine what Gabriel will do to him.
A team is made on table and not on checkbooks. Against Chelsea.
Seriously. Yeah. But is replacing every single player who doesn't fit in his team. Yeah, he just keep on replacing the players because he has the.
It's about time Lampard will get replaced. It's about time Lampard.
Yeah, for sure. Yes. Definitely. Because I'm asking this personally. What do you think? Where does Lampard stand when it comes to tactics? Have you seen any tactics?
What I think
Lampard plays his team.
What I think is he's just messing around with his formations, right? He's now playing 4-3-3 because always Chelsea's always been 4-3-2-1, 4-2-3-1. I mean, exactly. Like 2 defensive mids and then 3 this midfielders and 1 striker. Okay, and we have that sort of players. He's just messing around with Kai Havertz. He's just checking where he's like working. And obviously he's not a winger. Kai Havertz is an attacking midfielder, right?
The first match which Chelsea played against Brighton away to and they were struggling. They were lucky that they got the win, obviously. But they were definitely struggling against Brighton.
They were very lucky. It was a very good goal by Reece James, which was again it was lucky at that point. And then Zuma also converted a deflection. It was a deflection at the end of the day. Yeah.
And Kepa, what are your thoughts on Kepa? Coming on to the Man United, what about Crystal Palace?
This was the first game. Still warming up.
First better defender. Forget Sancho.
I need to say one thing. Can you name how many players have rejected Man United this current season? Despite having all the money, the United have.
I can think of 5.
There are a lot of problems with Man United. Transfers are not happening, but it's not about the stature of the club. The pure reason for Man United messing up in the transfer is lack of sporting director and lack of adequate budgets.
Rather than going for a centre back, was it a sensible buy?
Ravi, go ahead, then I'll follow up with
Pogba's form was very inconsistent over the few years, and he was also prone to injuries. So, and also it was said that he will leave the club. Some sort of things were happening. United was mainly looking for an attacking midfielder, and what Van der Beek does is he can manage both. He can also play a defensive role as well as at the same time an attacking option also he can give to United. So I think United was, more, into the attacking midfield. So I guess that may be the reason. But right now, it's not about attack anymore. It's about defense. It's been shaky as hell for quite a few times. And we need to support Maguire. I know we have bought him like for millions, but to support him, we need some, defenders.
We were looking at strategic depth. If you look at first and second, we finished third last year. If you're looking at first and second, so Liverpool and Manchester City, they can play their B team as well. We don't have a B team. So we don't have, for example, if there is one single injury, if there is even a single if there is a single injury, our core is Pogba and Fernandes. If there is
Bruno
a single
Fernandes.
injury, we are completely out of it, and that is why Van de Beek could act as a replacement if there is an injury. So that's why that it was important.
No, the priority should be a centre back. I mean,
Centre back.
Absolutely.
Because
Absolutely.
personally, I don't think so. Maguire does have the quality in strengthening their back line.
Because of that, De Gea is under pressure always. Because of that.
you are playing Lindelof with Maguire, and Lindelof is his 4th year of his contract. Till right now, you should be aware of the quality of the player you are having in the 4th year. At least Arsenal, we have similar players who are in their 4th.
Please, you don't have similar players.
Listen to me.
Who's saying that? Who's saying that?
We have plenty of defenders with us, but at least we know where they stand. Chambers, Holding, and Mustafi, we know where their quality stands. That's why we invested in defenders. We didn't go for all and out for attackers this season. We are in. And regarding the hierarchy that you were saying that we don't have sport hierarchy, if you see, Arsenal has cleared out almost everyone from the hierarchy this season. There are only 3 people.
You have a sporting director, right? You have a sporting director, right?
I do.
We have
Edu
a
Gaspar is the sporting director.
Exactly. We have just guys who are handling the Vinay is CEO. He will handle the all the back end. There are only 2 guys who are handling the.
Arteta just got promoted.
Arteta and Edu.
Yeah.
Exactly. This way, there are less people. There are less people in the hierarchy, so the control is more centralized. Because Edu and Arteta have a similar mentality. They know what they need, so there are no clashes like last year. Coach wanted another player, and board wanted to go for another player.
But Zaha would have been way more better than what Pepe is doing right now.
Exactly. Zaha is a finished product. Emery wanted a finished product. I agreed with him. We already have plenty of young players.
Moving on from the 2 original Reds to the new
Pseudo
Red.
Pseudo Red.
Unfortunately winning this time in an empty stadium. What's happening with you guys?
Pseudo Red. Who are you referring to as a pseudo Red? A Liverpool or an Arsenal fan or United?
Liverpool. I have one last question for you.
Why? Just one second. Why did you relate it to yourself?
No.
I was talking about I was saying moving
Pseudo
on.
Red.
As it is, I have Akash in the center.
Pseudo.
So he's the.
Bro, they are the reigning champions.
Akash, what's your opinion about your new signings?
No, I just want to ask Suyash something. If a centre back comes to United, who gets replaced? Lindelof or
Maguire?
Lindelof. I think we can have one addition on the bench, right? Since we are playing, this is not directed towards you. You are always already playing. But since you are playing Champions League, we can always go for strategic depth with our team.
Let's see how far this time United goes in the Champions League.
Don't talk about Champions League, Arsenal.
Bro, it's okay. मैं बोला ना ठीक है देख लेते हैं कितना चैंपियंस लीग में आगे
Arsenal
जाएगी.
don't talk itself. You just listen. Arsenal.
Yes.
ठीक है.
By the way, आज मेन्यू का क्या सीन?
game week, I was a bit disappointed कि यार लग रहा था कि squad की मतलब addition की जरूरत है.
Leeds was giving a tough fight in the away fixture.
Leeds give you a hard time.
Because you play only with one strategy of playing with your fullbacks and crossing in. So teams को समझ जाता है एक time के बाद. So now you can switch between strategies. We have Thiago now. We can play from the midfield.
Liverpool used to heavily rely on their flanks, na?
Yeah.
Used to heavily rely
Cross and Inshallah FC.
Yeah. But
Guardiola is building his team from 5 years. Okay, Klopp is building his. What's Ole doing then?
Ole
Ole is asking for money. Please give me money.
United fans are saying they don't have money.
We have money, but our institutional problem doesn't allow us to spend.
No. United were ready to invest 90 or so million for Sancho.
चैंपियंस लीग में देखेंगे ग्रुप स्टेज भी पार करते हुए या नहीं अभी तो वो
भाई United में get Bayern Munich.
when Wenger used
Only
to
one player I am
in
jealous
Arsenal,
of Arsenal team.
Yeah.
That is Oba.
जब वेंगर था वो 20 साल से टॉप 4 स्पॉट पे आ रहा है, हम लोग हर साल चैंपियंस लीग खेल रहे हैं, तब कोई आके नहीं बोलता था ये इतनी बड़ी वो है, अचीवमेंट है.
तब we were not recording this video.
आउट ऑफ द ब्लू यूनाइटेड के लिए ये एक अचीवमेंट हो गई कि हम चैंपियंस लीग खेल रहे हैं. वी आर इन चैंपियंस लीग.
समझो बात दिस इज यूनाइटेड.
एक
I
सेकंड
am
तो
completely agreeing कि ठीक है.
बात बोलो,
It's very
रोहित,
good thing that you are playing Champions League, but as far as competition is concerned, it is not an achievement that you are featuring in the Champions League football.
No, I'll tell you why. What is the reason for this?
बात में ऐड करूं ना,
Carry on.
रोहित की बात में ऐड करूं, वेंगर के पास ना बजट होता था ना
Seriously.
प्लेयर स्किल.
No,
आज
you are comparing apples and oranges. I'll tell you why. You are comparing apples and oranges.
यार कंपेयर,
I'll tell you why. Wait, hold on.
सड़े हुए केले टू एप्पल.
Listen.
भाई
listen.
चमक वमक कौन नहीं रहता था उस टाइम पे.
Arsenal in the 90s, Arsenal in 90s and Arsenal in the early 2000s and Arsenal in late 2000s with Man United doing right now. 2000s and early. I am watching Premier League every time since 1999. तब का प्रीमियर लीग एंड अब का प्रीमियर लीग में बहुत फर्क है. 1990s में 4 क्लब थे, 5 क्लब मैक्स टू मैक्स. मैन सिटी, लिवरपूल वाज स्ट्रगलिंग.
They'll consider 4. Yeah.
4 क्लब.
Liverpool, United, Arsenal and Chelsea.
Chelsea, yeah, correct.
That's
Yeah.
the original
No Tottenham,
Big
no-
Four.
No Wolverhampton, no Leeds United, nothing.
Yeah.
Yes. So now retrospect the point that you have made. तब top 4 was not a big deal because top 4 ये 4 ही क्लब आने वाले थे. अब कंपटीशन इतना बढ़ गया है, top 10 क्लब top 4 के लिए ट्राई, 8 तो करते ही है. top 4 तो पता है हमें.
Leicester is fighting
sensible
every year.
point. Talking about coming on to City, they purchase heavily, but so were United. They were right throughout the 4 or 5 years. They are spending heavily on their squad.
Yes.
But where does that leave you? Are you still in a position that you need to strengthen your team?
करूंगा सुयश.
मतलब इतना
You are saying Ole is not getting his desired
no,
players.
he is getting his players. He is getting his players.
एक second,
Yeah.
Rohit. Listen. Same point. I'm coming back to the same point. What a coach has, how coach affects a team. The coach that is coaching a team has his own pull. Mikel Arteta literally made Aubameyang sign for us.
Stay, yeah.
Even after having big clubs.
Barcelona. From Barcelona, he was receiving. Yeah.
He has convinced him. Yes.
Arteta personally convinced Aubameyang.
Yes.
Personally convinced him.
Anyway, I don't think he would have gone to Barcelona after that 8-2 loss.
But
we
we
are
are
not able to sign players has a big effect because of the coach.
No one wants to go there now.
problem here is
Ole is not a good coach. He's not at a level to manage such a club as compared.
I would just place Everton a little bit above the table.
Yes.
Okay.
Everton will
in
play
place of Tottenham
Yes.
for the 6th spot.
Yeah,
Into the top 6.
Yeah, into the top 6 definitely. Everton. Trying to underestimate Ancelotti, I will literally place Everton somewhere up there.
Okay.
The signings which he is getting under the club, I think so.
Amaze.
That's the only.
Amos, yeah. Till now, he has been so good.
Yeah.
I know.
Amos.
People
yeah.
still cannot believe it. Like, he's playing for Everton.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, he's playing for Everton. Actually, I saw BR Football post that it's already happening. James Rodriguez is playing for Everton. I mean, it's pretty difficult, you know. Look at Arsenal when we get new signings, we keep them for a week or 2-3 weeks. You know, we keep them under training. And look at Timo Werner; he's already started. Yeah, Timo Werner came in long time back, but look at Thiago Alcantara. Then again,
Thiago started going.
he came in and they started.
He had just 1.5 training sessions with the team.
मतलब पूरा फैंटेसी लीग का बैंड बजा दिया वो लोग ने. अरे ये क्यों स्टार्ट करेगा यार, तो अभी आया है. He started. That's what you call it. Let's talk about the next 3 game fixtures for Liverpool. Akash, what do you think about?
We are playing Liverpool.
We are
next.
playing Arsenal.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're playing Arsenal. You're playing Aston Villa.
Apart from Carabao Cup,
That's where I would be supporting Arsenal.
Everyone is
Against
supporting
Liverpool.
Arsenal right now. Everybody, even Tottenham fans, is supporting Arsenal like when it's against Liverpool.
We are playing at Anfield,
And-
no?
I will
Yeah,
never
it's
support-
Liverpool home.
Yeah.
Liverpool home. Yeah. What do you
Okay,
think?
okay. I think we'll win.
Not even a draw. Keeping in mind
Not
that
even
we defeated you the
No,
last
no.
2 times we played
At Wembley.
at Wembley
At
and
Wembley, no.
at our home Emirates.
And avoid injuries this season. That's it. That's why we signed some medic from.
डेविड लुइस डेविड लुइस तो खौफ हो गया था भाई जब वो आया था अभी लेकिन आर्टेटा इफेक्ट के अंडर वो काफी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर
Good player, very good defender.
Chelsea fans spoke say something.
he used to be good.
Is he not grabbing jerseys now?
खेल वाले लोग हैं यार चेल्सी बोलो मत वो माटा दे देते हैं वो हजार्ड दे देते हैं वो विलियन
साला।
दे देते हैं
Don't forget Salah.
सलाह दे देते हैं
Kevin De Bruyne, सबसे
De
बड़ा.
Bruyne, dude, De Bruyne.
De Bruyne, yeah.
इतने बड़े-बड़े प्लेयर बेचे हैं
Sturridge,
Chelsea ने।
Sturridge.
Sturridge.
Woodward,
Daniel Sturridge.
देखो ना आज किसी ने
Chelsea
भी
comes
चेल्सी
with
के साथ
a
बैंटर नहीं किया ये वाले लोग हैं यार वो बड़े लोग हैं बड़े बेस्ट प्लेयर्स भेज देते हैं वो और वो भी प्रीमियर लीग के राइवल
वो दिल वाले लोग
That's
Salah
what
भी
they
दूसरा है
actually.
भाई.
Yeah, that's the problem with Chelsea. I feel like we and Rahul were talking about this the other day that they don't focus much on their youth players. You know.
नहीं अभी
youth
उससे ही
academy.
फोकस हो रहा है भाई.
No, on the players which come from your academy.
मजबूरी थी
अभी
वो फोकस नहीं था वो मजबूरी थी चेल्सी
अब वो मजबूरी थी एक्चुअली. नहीं लेकिन लैम्पार्ड
Transfer.
2 साल का बैन.
the
हाँ.
club culture. Oh my God. Chelsea
लेकिन
is
that
so
turned out to be a
frustrated.
big thing, right?
Chelsea is so frustrated after that transfer ban. अब तो उड़ाऊंगा मतलब I don't care how much is Kai Havertz
पूरा
asking
जो
that I am paying for
पैसा
it.
जमा करके रखा था ना तब
कोविड सिचुएशन चालू है तब ये हाल है, अगर नहीं
No
है, तो
negotiations
पता नहीं
at all.
No negotiation.
जो
Yes.
मांग रहे दे दो, जो
हाँ.
मांग रहे दे दो.
भाई. They have easily replaced 6 or 7 players this year.
Definitely. Fine. What's your amount? Yeah, 100 million. Okay. this is 100
अगर
million.
कोविड है तो ये हाल है नहीं होता तो पूरा आर्सेनल खरीद लेते वो
भाई
Have you noticed after last season, all of our Liverpool fans are emerging slowly? You know, मतलब
coming out of their shells.
Akash,
टैटू
but
करवाया है
there were few.
टैटू करवाया लिटरली
Akash, show us your tattoo. Akash, we need to. So after, yeah, Akash has a tattoo now.
Oh my god.
पहुंचो पहले उसके बाद बात करो चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल पहुंच के
यूनाइटेड को
दोनों
पेनल्टी
कहानी
मिला
नहीं है,
आर्सेनल अगर होना चालू
अच्छा
पेनल्टी मिला
penalties coming on to the
तुम भी लो ना
penalties. एक मिनट एक बात चीज रह
तुम भी
गई.
गिरो
नहीं,
तुम भी
नहीं,
गिरो
नहीं,
तुम भी
एक बात
फाउल
ये
करो
यहाँ पे कितने लोग उसको जस्टिफाई करते हैं कि ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस बहुत प्ले एक्टिंग करता है.
Come on.
अरे फाउल प्ले करता है आई एक्सेप्ट
Do we
I
really need to
accept.
यार हर
I know,
मैच
I do.
में
Every
हर
player.
मैच में
Dude,
रेफरी को काम कर
last
लेते
game
हैं
में तो it was clearly visible, dude.
हाँ
हाँ उसका वीआईएस है मेरे पास.
हर दूसरे
वीडियो
तीसरे
देखना
मैच में रहता है उसका.
ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस की वीडियो डाली थी मैंने अपने पेज पे
हाँ,
हाँ,
एक ना
देखा है वो
मतलब
वीडियो देखा हुआ है. हाँ.
हुआ तक नहीं है पाँव से 2 इंच दूर है जूता
हाँ.
वो ऐसे
A lot
पकड़
of
के
people-
खींच के
a
ले
lot-
गए।
ऑपोजिट
गोली
ऑपोजिट
मार-
को
2004
Well,
2008
Barcelona had the worst actors, but now
सर्जियो
इस पे
सर्जियो बुस्केट्स के टाइम पे yeah.
इस
Even
पूरी
David
मैच में
Luiz
कुछ
has
नहीं
a-
बोला.
yeah, Akash, yeah, that thing, yeah.
डेविड
Yeah,
लुइस
yeah.
Gerard Piqué just getting hit by lighter. He started limping all of a sudden, and he's going to the referee. He got hit by lighter. And then the referee
Puyol took it and threw it away.
yeah,
कितने यूनाइटेड ने मार खरीद लिया था लास्ट सीजन. लोग प्लेयर खरीदते हैं, यूनाइटेड परचेज मार.
तो फेमस है यार फर्ग्यूसन के टाइम से रेफरी खरीदने को हमारी
बॉस अब तो यू आर पुशिंग ना
याद
बोल दिया स्क्रीन में से घुस के अंदर आ जाएंगे आप लोग
अंकित
Yeah.
याद है हमारा 2-0 डिफीट मैन्यू की
yeah,
जो इनफेमस 2-0 डिफीट थी जब हमारी अनबीटन रन एंड थी
हाँ, yeah.
मतलब
58. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
50.
थे
Red card, yeah.
मतलब
मेरे
आर्सेनल
ख्याल
का
से-
आदमी को गोली भी मार देता ना अगर
Vieira tackled.
तो भी
Vieira
वो
tackled
कहते
someone.
नहीं,
I'm
नहीं,
not
कुछ नहीं
remembering
हुआ,
the
कुछ नहीं
player.
हुआ।
Vieira का टैकल था, उसने छुआ भी नहीं था और उसने डाइव